In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show numbers in thousands, millions, and billions in Microsoft Excel. When working with large datasets, numbers can sometimes become difficult to read because they contain many digits. Instead of displaying the full value, Excel allows you to present those numbers in a cleaner and more readable format, such as thousands, millions, or even billions. This approach keeps your spreadsheet easier to understand while the actual value stored in the cell remains unchanged. To begin, look at the dataset where your large values are stored. For demonstration purposes, you can copy the original numbers and paste them into another section of the worksheet so the formatted version appears side by side with the original values. This allows you to clearly compare how the numbers are displayed before and after formatting. Once the data you want to modify is selected, hold the Control key on your keyboard and press the 1 key. This shortcut opens the Format Cells dialog box. You can also access the same window by going to the Home tab and clicking the small dialog box launcher located in the Number group. Inside the Format Cells window, make sure you are on the Number tab, then select the Custom category. This section allows you to create a custom format that changes how numbers appear in the worksheet. In the Format field, remove any existing text and type a 0 followed by 2 commas. Each comma reduces the displayed value by 3 digits from the right side of the number. For example, using a single comma removes the last 3 digits, effectively showing the value in thousands. Adding a second comma removes another 3 digits, which converts the display into millions. After applying 2 commas, only the leading portion of the number remains visible. To indicate that the number represents millions, add the letter M inside double quotation marks after the commas. When you click OK, Excel will instantly update the display so the numbers appear as values in millions. Even though the displayed number is shorter, the real value stored in the cell remains exactly the same. If you prefer to show decimal places, you can reopen the Format Cells dialog box by selecting the data again and pressing Ctrl and 1. In the Custom Format field, change the format to 0.00 followed by 2 commas and the letter M in quotation marks. This allows Excel to display the value in millions with 2 decimal places. You can also display numbers in thousands by using only 1 comma and adding the letter K to represent thousands. This works the same way and simply changes how the number appears. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.